Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop the heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Mac Miller boom bap drum kit called Best Day Ever. It's crazy, man. All the sounds here have been nicely processed. Y'all guys know how we do it on this channel, man. We always kill it 24/7. We always got you 24/7. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So without no further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So to demonstrate the midis, I'll be using this Gangsta piano by Contact to demonstrate the midis. And instead of just playing the midis, I'll be using one of my drum loops from my lo-fi boom bap drum kit. It's crazy, man. You can go ahead and get it. If you just go back to my previous stuff, it's free. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So I'm gonna load up the first MIDI, which is called Day Off. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. Go. All right, moving out, second MIDI. All right, third midis, smoke top. Whew. You know, man. I'm a rapper, so I'm also a rapper, so that really it kind of pushed me a little bit. So sorry for this. So all right, cool. Yeah, man, that's it. That's it for the midis. That's it for the midis. So let's go ahead and jump into the drums. So I'm gonna start first with the cymbals. All right, hi-hats. Kicks. All right, percs, percussion. All right, snares. Yeah, man. yet again, sorry for that. We've come to the end of this. So yeah, so that's it for the sauce, man. It's crazy, man. Link in the description, you know. And if you guys are having any problems downloading this, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will get back to you quick. So yeah, that's it, man. Enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats with this, and I'ma see you on the next one. Namaste. Stay safe. Have a good one.